In this guide, I will show you how to view sent Instagram follow requests. Begin by launching the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to your account page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. On your account page, tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner, and from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Security option. Tap on Security to proceed, and under Data and History section in Security, look for Access Data. Tap on Access Data to view more options. Within the Access Data section, locate Current Follow Requests under Connections. Tap on the View All next link to Current Follow Requests. You will now see a non-clickable list of all the usernames you have sent follow requests to but haven't yet approved by. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.